So I promised you a make.com version. So we're going to start doing that right now. So what I did was I made a form in Google Forms, and this is what I'm going to use to push to make. And I'm going to start that flow over here. Let me just put this. And this need my form ID, which is this right here. I only need one. All right. Publish this. It has all the same questions that was on the other form. So let's just get this going. I'm gonna run this real quick. Okay. Let's fill out this form. Once everything is filled out, we'll submit this back here. So once this is here, we need to HTTP. There we go. We need to make a request, just like how we did in our flow over here. Exactly how we gotta do it. Copy this. One moment. We're gonna do contact type. We just follow it just like how this is. We're gonna do JSON. Let me copy this. Hmm. Yeah, somewhere over here. There we go. We'll do the same thing like we did before. We'll put name, email, phone, budget, source. There we go. Save. And for that, let's see here. CRM. This is what it was. It's my URL. Right, let's run this. Okay. Oh, geez, it's this. Okay, so we have to fix this because it's more rooted than just that. And it was going to be like that. All right, so we need the value. Oops, that was supposed to be source. Come on. It's all part of the training. Just gonna do it again. Give me 1 second. What did you hear about us? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna submit this. We'll go back to make and let's run this. Okay. Boom. So that was good. Form submitted, everything. So let's go back to our CRM and let's refresh. 4 leads. Here I am. Tie with the 1500. So that's how you do it in Make. You can do it with the Google form. Then you'll do another HTTP request. Make sure you add a header in there with contact type JSON and body type raw. JSON is the content type, and you want to have the value of each of these from your form because it's really nested in there. So that's how you want to do that. And that's how you have your CRM working for you, either with NAN or with Make.com. They both work. It depends how you want to do it or which tools you want to use. I self-host my own NAN, and if you want to learn how to do that, that's a whole nother video, a whole nother time, but we get into that. But if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm here to help. All right, have a good day.